Hello friends, in this video today we will learn how to give the short answers. Sometimes when people ask some questions by using present perfect continuous tense, we give them a huge sentence. We give them a big answer, okay, which takes a long time. As you know, time is very valuable. It's very important because if time goes, it will never come back. Okay, so if you want to save your time, you can just say it. You can just give the short answers. Giving the short answers answers is very easy technique. By doing this, the time will not be wasted, okay, and you can save your time. Okay, and by this sometimes the native speakers also use this to save the time, and also it also shows us the formality and a little bit of closer, okay, a little bit of closer relatives, okay, and a little bit of familiar of these. Okay, so no more talking, let's get started our today's video journey, and our today's part is 7. Okay, if we say, how have you been going to the market, instead of giving a huge answer, you can just short answer. You can just simply say, yes, I have. Why? When someone will ask you by using the word of you, on that time you have to answer it by using the word of I. Because if someone asks you, you must indicate yourself. He must indicate yourself. And when it is you, or when it's your time, you can't say you. It indicates that person. If you want to indicate yourself, then you have to say I. Same like you ask me something, I can't say you. It indicates you. If I indicate myself, then I can say I. So it's a rule. It's kind of a rule. On the time we can use what? I. And same here, we have also used the have. And during of the positive, no contraction will be used. Then, but negative, there's one contraction, that is haven't. What does the word mean of haven't? It means no, I have not. Does it? No, I haven't. Same here. Has she been teaching English? Yes, she has. It indicates yes, she has been teaching English. You can also simply just say. Here we can get a contraction up here. There isn't any contraction, but if you want to say into negative, then there's one contraction up here, that it hasn't. No, she hasn't. It indicates no, she hasn't been teaching English. Next, have you been talking to him? Yes, I have. No contraction. No, I haven't. There's one contraction. So these are the easy technique about to make all the sentences by giving the short answers. Okay, so if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video, and keep watching my all videos of grammar, reels, and every kinds of video that I always posted in YouTube and Facebook. So see you in the next video, everyone. Thanks for watching my video.